Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by securing your data, back up important files, and validate the copy. Next, make a bootable USB with a chosen Linux ISO using Rufus or Baelna Etcher, 4 GB minimum, and confirm the target device. Once done, reboot and enter firmware to disable Secure Boot if the distro requires it. Make a note of your Windows keys and partition sizes so you can restore if necessary. This prepares you to boot the installer and start replacing Windows 10. You boot the USB in UEFI mode and spend a few minutes in the live session to test hardware and drivers. This avoids surprises. Then launch the installer and choose either guided erase disk or manual partitioning. Create an ext4 root, optional swap, and a separate /home for user data. When replacing Windows, format NTFS to ext4 so Linux can manage files. Choose Packages, create your user and password, and install grub to the primary disk, so the system will boot into Linux when finished. You reboot into your new Linux system and immediately install updates and vendor drivers using the package manager to ensure hardware compatibility. Next, restore files from backup, enable a firewall, and set up regular backups for safety. If something goes wrong with booting, make sure the BIOS is in the correct UEFI or legacy mode. Then use a live USB to root and repair grub or reinstall it. These final steps secure your system and give you a clear troubleshooting path if the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.